Proud Mary. Take one. I like to do that because when I go back, I never know which cake it is.
Oh, there you go.
You know, every now and then I think you might like to hear something from us. Nice and easy. But there's just one thing, you see, we never ever do nothing nice and easy. We always do it nice and rough. But we're gonna take the beginning of this song and do it easy. But then we're gonna do the finish rough. The way we do Proud Mary. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Listen to the story now. Left a good job in the city, working for a man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, and I was worried about the way the thing might have been. Big wheel keep on turning. Ooh, the Proud Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling, 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 yeah, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling on the river. Played a lot of plates in Memphis, and I popped a lot of tank down in New Orleans. But I never saw the good side of the city until I hitched a ride on the riverboat Queen. Big wheel keep on turning. Ooh, the Proud Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling, 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 yeah, rolling, rolling on the river. Say we're rolling, 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 rolling on the river, rolling on the river. I left a good job in the city, working for a man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, and worried about the way things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning, turning. Proud Mary keep on burning, burning, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Playing a lot of planes
baby. You tore it up that time.
Was it good?
It was really good.